have counted nights instead of stars, measured hope by broken hearts. Questions fill the empty room, wondering when you would move. Winter settled in my soul, silence seemed to take control. Yet somewhere underneath my pain, your whisper softly called my name. When I could not see tomorrow, you were writing mercy there. When my faith became a flicker, your love was breathing air. All seasons are love, even when I cannot see. Every valley hides your promise, every mountain bends my knees. All seasons are love, though they don't always feel the same. You are weaving joy from sorrow. Nothing, Lord, is done in vain. So I'll thank you in the waiting, I'll praise you through the flood. For every season carries the fingerprints of love. You prune the branch you long to grow, water seeds I'll never know. The tears I thought the earth had kept were gathered where your angels wept. Every closed and broken door led me closer than before. What I call the lonely place became the meeting place of grace. If the rain had never found me, I would never know your peace. If the night had never held me, I never watched the sunrise beam. All seasons are love, even when the storm remains. Every heartbeat, every teardrop is never wasted in your name. All seasons are love, you have never walked away. You're the author of my story, turning darkness into day. When you say wait, that is love. When you say grow, that is love. When you say no, that is love. When you are silent, that is love. When you restore, that is love. When you discipline, that is love. When you carry me because I cannot stand, that is love. All seasons are love, from my first breath to my last. Every chapter you have written holds me firmly in your hands. All seasons are love, through the laughter and the scars. You have never ceased to be exactly who you are. So I'll bless you in the morning, I'll trust you through the night. For the God who made the seasons makes all things beautiful in time. Winter is not forever. The gardener has not forgotten the vine. The potter has not abandoned the clay. The shepherd still knows your name. And one day you'll look back, and every tear will spell love. Every season was